let's take a look at how you can create social media content using multiple AI tools. We'll do a simple demonstration for you here today. Very simple, very easy. We're going to create a social media post from the perspective of a stage hypnotist. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. In fact, I'm already there. And in the prompt field, I'm going to ask it to write my social media post for me. Write a social media post about how being able to hypnotize people is like having a superpower. I hit enter and it generates. Fast, right? Now, again, as I've said in other videos, don't take anything it gives you and just use it directly. Always proofread, always check it to make sure that it's telling the truth, that it really makes sense, and that it's congruent with the way you like to communicate. So for me, imagine being able to tap into the depths of the human mind, guiding it into fascinating realms of trance and suggestion. I like the opening. High school students, yes, I do that. College crowds, yes, I do that. Corporate events, yes, I do that. So that's all accurate for me. I like the second paragraph as well. Now, I forgot about this. From my early days as an English teacher to my current role as a hypnotist and podcaster, you can set up in your ChatGPT account basically like a profile of yourself. And I did that. And I told ChatGPT that I had previously been an English teacher and that I did stage hypnosis shows for high schools, college crowds, and corporate events. And I also told it that I do a podcast about stage hypnotism. This is how cool this tool is getting. So it's worked those factoids about me into this post that it's writing for me. Now, what it does here that I don't want necessarily is it's plugging the podcast. Maybe I would want that sometimes, but in this case, that wasn't my point for doing the post. So I would delete that and I wouldn't use it when I actually put it online. And the hashtags are okay. That'd be it. So I would copy and paste this into a LinkedIn post, a Facebook post, an Instagram post. But when you make a social media post, you really want to have an image that catches attention as well. So now for that, we switch over to Midjourney. And actually, you know what? I'm going to go to my Midjourney account. I have this. I had done it already because I was afraid that it might take too long and mess up the recording of this video. I went in earlier and I fed this prompt at the bottom here that I've highlighted, a hypnotist in the style of superhero, full body image, male, bald, goatee, brown eyes, so that it maybe almost a little looks like me, although this guy doesn't really look like me. Green costume, waves of energy emanating from his mind, hyper realistic 8K. So I'm telling it with hyper realistic. I really want it to look like a real person, not a cartoon, not an animation. And 8K is highly, highly detailed. So you can really get to where there's the texture on the suit and stuff that's coming from that hyper realistic 8K. So this is what it generated for me. Then I've got an image. So now I can catch attention with this AI generated image. And I've got the post to go with it, and I'm done. My social media post for the day is done in no time. Took me longer to show it to you and explain it than it would actually take to create it once you get familiar with these tools. Social media, faster, better with AI. Think about doing it.